So I got stolen cell bars. I got Oh Yeah long neck grips. I got Odyssey par ends. Have an Odyssey Elementary V3 stem. King Creek integrated headset. Mirko forks. Rant 2.3 tan wheels. I have a 2-hip bikes complete front wheel. I have a Mirko gargoyle frame. And then I have a fit seat. Stolen SIC cranks. I have a stolen Class Ring 2 sprocket. I have some Black Ops pedals. I have a stock bottom bracket. I have a 2-hip stump. KMC chain. Black Ops rim. Shout out Conspiracy Spokes leads to a cult match hub. And then I have another Rant 2.3 tan wall.